Assalamu alaikum guys, hope that all of you are doing well. This is our lecture of day 2. So my name is Nausheen Hassan and I am teacher of class 4. So we will have to I have given you the homework. So first of all, open the book, page number 2. Hopefully all of you have done the homework. Now I am giving you the correct answer of this from 11 to 20. You should not take parts in politics. Politics is the correct answer. Number 12, the sceneries of Murray are charming. Sceneries and Murray are the correct answer. Number 13, he gives me 3 paisas. Paisas is the correct answer. 14, yours faithfully. Faithfully is the correct answer. 15, 4 hours is a long time. Hours and time is the correct answer. 16, the wages of a laborer are 100 rupees a day. Wages laborer rupees is the correct answer. Then she has two brothers-in-law. Brothers-in-law is the correct answer. Do you eat fruits? Fruits is the correct answer. They have 2 dozen pigeons. Pigeons is the correct answer. The young man has no issue. Man and issue is the correct answer. Now turn to page number 3. My water bottle. Here you have to write the paragraph on my water bottle, and the space which is given over here, a rectangular space, you have to make the drawing, a picture of a bottle by yourself. You can draw it like this also, and you can draw it by yourself also. Now what you have to write, you have to write the essay which I have given it over here. You are seeing it on the screen as well. So it is the essay on my water bottle, and you can write it by yourself also with the help of noun, verb and adjective which is given over the page of my water bottle on page number 3. So here I have a beautiful water bottle. I bought it from a beautiful shop in the mall. Its color is blue and white. It is big. Its spout is small. Its cup is round. It's shaped like a thermos. I can fill it. It's 700 ml. It keeps water cold for 5 hours. I hang it on my shoulder to take it to school. I can also take my water bottle for traveling. We can make juice in it and take it for picnic also. I can use my water bottle in many ways. I like my water bottle very much. So you can write it as it is, and you can write it by yourself also. Now open the copy. First page you have to leave, and on second page you have to make the index. On the first page you have to write your name, class, subject, your house and your previous house. On this page, second page, you have to make the index. Make 4 columns as you are seeing on your screen also. Serial number, date, topic and the teacher signature. So this is the index, how you have to make it. You can make it like that. Now turn the page and move on to next page. You have to make the index on 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages, and you have to leave 3 pages for index. This is the next page. You have to write the parts of speech, and you are write it like that as you will see it on the next slide. You have to put the heading of parts of speech on the top, and then you have to write there are 8 parts of speech, and then you have to start your work just like that as you are seeing on the screen. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Just you have to write it like that with proper headings and write it very neat and clean way. Now turn to next page. There you have to put the heading of noun, then you have to write the definition of noun. The definition is already given in the next slide, what you have to write there, and then you have to put the heading of the example also. So just see on the next slide, I have given you the definition and the example of the noun as well. So here is the definition of noun. Noun is the naming word. Noun is the naming adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Just you have to write it like that with proper headings and write it very neat and clean way. Now turn to next page. There you have to put the heading of noun, then you have to write the definition of noun. The definition is already given in the next slide, but you have to write there, and then you have to put the heading of the example also. So just see on the next slide, I have given you the definition and the example of the noun as well. So here is the definition of noun. Noun is the naming word. Noun is the naming word, and which it is used for a thing, a person or place. For example is already given it over here: boy, marker, and Karachi as well. Now turn to the next page, and here is the here you have to put the heading of pronoun, then you have to write the definition of the pronoun, and then you have to write the example of that pronoun. And on the next slide you will see the proper definition and the examples of pronoun. I have given it over there, and you have to copy down the definition and examples from there. So here it is the definition of pronoun. So the definition of it: a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. It is used to avoid repetition of the same word. And example is given over there: baby is crying because she is hungry. She is underlined because it is pronoun, and the next example also given. Thank you. Wish all of you the best. See all of you in the next class. Hope all of you have got this lecture, and you can do it very happily and easily. Thank you all of you.